Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we will learn and discuss about fractions. What we will learn today? Today we learn and discuss about fractions, types of fractions, conversion of fractions, simplest form of a fractions, comparison of fractions, addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions, division of fractions. Now what is fraction? Suppose take an example. Suppose a pizza is distributed among 4 people, then each people will get how much? So we have to divide pizza into 4 equal parts. So each people will get 1 divided by 4. Here whole part is 1, whole part is 4, total part is 4 and each part will divided into 1. Number of parts taken out divided by total number of equal parts. That is 1 divided by 4. So whole pizza is 1. Now we divide this figure into 6 equal parts. Then each equal part will be 1 divided by 6, 2 divided by 6, 3 divided by 6, 4 divided by 6, 5 divided by 6, 6 divided by 6, that is equal to 1. So shaded part of this fraction is 3 divided by 6. Here 3 parts is shaded. Total number of shaded part is 3 divided by number of shaded part is 3 divided by total number of parts. Total parts is 6. 3 divided by 6, that is 3 is numerator and 6 is, we say 3 is numerator and 6 is denominator. So fraction is a part of a whole. Here part is 3 part divided by 6. 6 is the whole part. So 3 divided by 6 is in fractional form and top number is called numerator and bottom number is called denominator. 3 divided by 6 is a fraction whose numerator is 3 and denominator is 6. So fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction can be represented as number of equal parts that is taken out divided by number of equal parts into whole that has been divided. Fraction is numerator divided by denominator. Top number is called numerator and bottom number is called denominator. For example, 3 divided by 8. This is a fraction. This is in fractional form. We read it as 3/8. Whose numerator is 3 and denominator is 8. 2 divided by 5. This is also in fractional form and we read it as 2/5. So fraction is a part of a whole. Now example, name the numerator of the fraction 3 divided by 7. We know fraction is numerator divided by denominator. So 3 divided by 7, numerator is 3. Numerator in 3 divided by 7 is 3. Now what is the denominator in 4 divided by 15? Denominator in 4 divided by 15 is, numerator is 4 and denominator is 15. So denominator in 4 divided by 15 is 15. Now types of fraction. Fraction are of 6 types. First is proper fraction, improper fraction, third is mixed fraction, fourth is like fraction, fifth is unlike fraction, then equivalent fraction. We will discuss this all types of fractions one by one. First is proper fraction. What is proper fraction? If the numerator is less than the denominator, then the fraction is called proper fraction. For example, 3 divided by 5. Here numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. Numerator 3 is less than the denominator 5, so 3 divided by 5 is a proper fraction. In 7 divided by 9, numerator is 7 and denominator is 9. So numerator 7 is less than the denominator 9, so 7 divided by 9 is a proper fraction. Now give a proper fraction whose numerator is 5 and denominator is 7. We know fraction is numerator divided by denominator. So numerator is 5 and denominator is 7. So 5 divided by 7. This is a proper fraction. And give a proper fraction whose denominator is 9 and the numerator is 5. Numerator is 5 and denominator is 9. So 5 divided by 9. This is also a proper fraction. And give a proper fraction whose denominator is 4 more than the numerator. Suppose numerator is x and denominator is, the denominator will be 4 more than the numerator. So denominator will be x plus 4. So fraction is numerator divided by denominator. So fraction is x divided by x plus 4. Now improper fraction. What is improper fraction? If the numerator is if numerator is more than the denominator, then the fraction is said to be an improper fraction. For example, 5 divided by 4. Here numerator is 5 and denominator is 4. Numerator 5 is greater than denominator 4, so 5 divided by 4 is an improper fraction. For example, 17 divided by 5. Here numerator 17 is greater than the denominator 5, so 17 divided by 5 is an improper fraction. Now mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and the whole and the proper fraction. If the fraction is the combination of whole and the proper fraction, then the fraction is said to be a mixed fraction. For example, 1 divided by 4. Here 1 is whole and 1 divided by 4 is a proper fraction. So 1 divided by 4 is a mixed fraction. 2 divided by 5. Here 3 is whole number and 2 divided by 5 is a proper fraction. So 2 divided by 5 is a mixed fraction. Now equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fraction? Two fractions are equivalent when we multiply the same number both in numerator and denominator of the fraction. Then the fraction that we get is called the equivalent fraction of the first fraction. Suppose take an example. 2 divided by 3. Equivalent fraction of 2 divided by 3 are 2. Suppose we multiply 2 with 4, numerator 2 with 4, then we have to multiply the same number with denominator also. That is, we multiply the numerator with 4, so we have to multiply denominator 3 also with 4. So 2 multiplied with 4 is 8 and 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So 8 divided by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 2 divided by 3. So 2 divided by 3 and 8 divided by 12 are equivalent fraction. Both are equivalent. If we multiply 2 with 8 and 3 denominator 3 with also 8, then 2 multiplied by 8 is 16, 3 multiplied by 8 is 24. So now 16 divided by 24 is equivalent fraction of 2 divided by 3. Both are equivalent fraction. 2 divided by 3 equal to 16 divided by 24. Both are equivalent fraction. Suppose we multiply 2 with 12 and 3, we have to multiply denominator also with 12. As we have multiplied 2 numerator 2 with 12, so we have to multiply the denominator also with 12. 2 multiplied by 12 is 24 and 3 multiplied by 12 is 36. Now 24 divided by 36 is an equivalent fraction of 2 divided by 3. Both 2 divided by 3 and 24 divided by 36 are equivalent fraction. 2 divided by 3 equal to 24 divided by 36. Both are equivalent fraction. Now equivalent fraction of 2 divided by 3 are 8 divided by 12, 16 divided by 24, 24 divided by 36. All are equivalent fraction of 2 divided by 3. All are equivalent. Now like fraction. What is like fraction? If a set of fractions whose denominators are equal, then the fraction is said to be like fraction. A fraction whose denominators are same or equal, then that fraction is called like fraction. Here 2 divided by 5, 1 divided by 5, 3 divided by 5, 4 divided by 5. These sets of fractions are like fraction as all have equal denominator, that is equal to 5. Now unlike fraction. What is unlike fraction? If a set of fractions whose denominators are different, that is unequal, then the fractions are said to be unlike fraction. For example, 2 divided by 5, 2 divided by 3, 3 divided by 4, 4 divided by 7. All are unlike fraction as all have unequal denominators, that is all have different denominators. All fractions, types of fractions are completed. Now conversion of improper fraction and mixed fraction. How to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction and how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Converting mixed improper fraction into mixed fraction. Suppose 13 divided by 5. This is in improper fraction as numerator 13 is greater than 5. So this is an improper fraction. We have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. We have to divide this denominator, that is 5, with the numerator 13 divided by 5. 13 is dividend and 5 is divisor. So 5 multiplied with 2 is 10. 13 minus 10 is 3. And 3 is the remainder and 2 is the quotient. So 13 divided by 5 is quotient 2. Remainder is 3 divided by divisor 5. Quotient remainder divided by divisor. Quotient is 2, remainder is 3 and divisor is 5. So 13 divided by 5 is 2, 3 divided by 5. This is an improper fraction. We have to convert this improper fraction. We convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, and mixed fraction is 2, 3 divided by 5. 2, 3 divided by 5 is the mixed fraction of improper fraction 13 divided by 5. Now how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? 2, 3 divided by 5. This is a mixed fraction. We have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Multiply the denominator 5 with whole 2 plus numerator 3 divided by the denominator 5. 5 multiplied with 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 divided by 5. 13 divided by 5 is an improper fraction. Converting this mixed fraction 2, 3 divided by 5 into improper fraction, we get 13 divided by 5. 13 divided by 5 is an improper fraction. So 13 divided by 5 is the improper fraction of the mixed fraction 2, 3 divided by 5. So mixed fraction is quotient remainder divided by divisor. Converting the improper fraction into mixed fraction, we get quotient remainder divided by divisor. Converting mixed fraction into improper fraction, multiply the denominator with whole multiplied with denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. That is the improper fraction. Now simplest form of a fraction. How to find the simplest form of a fraction? If the numerator and denominator of a fraction have no common factor except 1, then the fraction, that is highest common factor is 1, then the fraction is in simplest form. Now how to find the simplest form of a fraction? Two divided by 3. Here highest common factor of 2 and 3 is, there is no common factor between 2 and 3, so highest common factor of 2 and 3 is 1. So 2 divided by 3 is in simplest form. This is in simplest form. Suppose 15 divided by 10. We have to convert this 15 divided by 10 reduced into simplest form. How to reduce the fraction 15 divided by 10 into simplest form? We have to find the highest common factor of 15 and 10. Highest common factor of 15 and 10 is, prime factorization of 15 is 3 multiplied with 5 and prime factorization of 10 is 2 multiplied with 5. So highest common factor, that is common factor between 15 and 10 is 5. One common factor, that is 5 between 15 and 10. That is highest common factor of 15 and 10 is 5. Now divide this highest common factor with numerator and denominator both. 15 numerator 15 with highest common factor 5 divided by denominator 10 with common factor highest common factor 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3 divided by 10 divided by 5 is 2. 3 divided by 2 is in simplest form. So 3 divided by 2 is the simplest form of 15 divided by 10. Now comparing fractions. How to compare like fraction? Two divided by 5 and 4 divided by 5. Here numerator 2 is less than 4. So 2 divided by 5 is less than 4 divided by 5. or we can say 4 divided by 5 is greater than 2 divided by 5. This is the comparing of like fraction. 2 divided by 5 and 4 divided by 5 both are like fraction. Comparing the like fraction, just compare the numerator. Now comparing the unlike fraction. 2 divided by 7 and 3 divided by 6. 2 divided by 7 and 2 divided by 6. Here denominator 7 is greater than 6. So in unlike fraction, the bigger the denominator is the smaller fraction. So 2 divided by 7 is less than 2 divided by 6. In unlike fraction, denominator, if the denominator is greater than the second denominator, then the 2 divided by 7, here 7 is greater than 6, so 2 divided by 7 will be less than 2 divided by 6, or 2 divided by 6 is greater than 2 divided by 7. 6 is smaller denominator. Smaller denominator will be the bigger number. So 2 divided by 6 will be bigger fraction, will be the greater fraction than the 2 divided by 7. Now comparing 3 divided by 4 and 2 divided by 5. How to compare 3 divided by 4 and 2 divided by 5? Just crisscross multiplication. Multiply 3 with 5 is 15 divided by the denominator 4 multiplied with 5 is 20, and crisscross multiplication 2 multiplied with 4 is 8, 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 15 divided by 20 and 8 divided by 20. 15 is greater than 8, so 15 divided by 20 is greater than 8 divided by 20. That is 3 divided by 4. 15 divided by 20 is the equivalent fraction of 3 divided by 4, and 8 divided by 20 is the equivalent fraction of 2 divided by 5. As 3 multiplied with 5 is 15, and 4 multiplied with 5 is 20, and 2 multiplied with 4 is 8, and 5 multiplied with 4 is 20. So 15 divided by 20 is greater than 8 divided by 20. So 3 divided by 4 is greater than 2 divided by 5. Comparing like fraction, unlike fraction. Comparing the unlike fraction depending on the denominator. This is done. Now addition of fractions. Addition of like fraction, then addition of unlike fraction, then addition of mixed fraction. Now addition of like fraction. 3 divided by 7 plus 5 divided by 7. Both are like fraction as denominators are equal. Just add the numerator only. So 3 plus 5 divided by denominator, that is equal. Denominator equal denominator, that is 7. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 divided by 7. Now this is in improper fraction. We have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. This is also correct, and if we convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, then Divide 8 divided by 7 is quotient is 1, remainder is 1 divided by denominator 7. 7 multiplied with 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8 divided by 7. This is also correct. 1 divided by 7 is the mixed fraction of 8 divided by 7. So addition of like fraction is just add the numerator only. Here 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 divided by 7. Now addition of unlike fraction. Addition of unlike fraction is 2 divided by 7 plus 7 divided by 5. Both are unlike fraction as denominators are unequal. First find out the LCM of the denominator 7 and 5. LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. Now divide the LCM 35 with the denominator 7. 35 with 7 is 5. Then multiply numerator 2 with 5 plus now divide LCM 35 with denominator 5 is 7. Multiply 7 with numerator 7. 2 multiplied with 5 is 10 plus 7 multiplied with 7 is 49. That is 10 plus 49 is 59 divided by 35. This is an improper fraction. Now we can convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. This is also correct. And if we convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, then just divide this 59 with denominator 35. 35 quotient 1, then 2, 4 divided by 35. This is the mixed fraction 124 divided by 35. Now 2 divided by 7 plus 7 divided by 5 is 124 divided by 35. Now addition of mixed fraction 2, 3 divided by 5 plus 3, 4 divided by 7. How to add this mixed fraction? Just add this whole number separately. 2 plus 3 plus 3 divided by 5. Add this fraction separately. 4 divided by 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 divided by 5 plus 4 divided by 7. Now LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Now multiply 35. Divide 35 with 5 is 7. 7 multiply 7 with numerator 3. 7 multiplied with 3 is 21 plus divide denominator 35 with denominator LCM is 35. Divide LCM with denominator 7. 35 divided by 7 is 5. 5 multiplied with 4 is 2. 5 multiplied with 4 is 20. Now 5 plus 41 divided by 35. We can convert this improper fraction. This is an improper fraction. 41 divided by 35 as 41 is greater than 35. So this is an improper fraction. Now convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. 35 1 6 35. Now add this whole number. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 35. That is 6. 6 divided by 35. So addition of 2, 3 divided by 5 plus 3, 4 divided by 7. Addition of these two mixed fraction is 6, 6 divided by 35. This is the answer. Addition of like fraction completed. Addition of unlike fraction done. Then addition of mixed fraction also done. Then subtraction of fraction. Subtraction of like fraction. Subtraction of unlike fraction. Then subtraction of mixed fraction. How to subtract the like fraction? 8 divided by 5 minus 3 divided by 5. Both are like fraction. Just subtract the numerator. 8 minus 3 divided by denominator 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 divided by 5, which is equal to 1. This is the subtraction of like fraction. Now subtraction of unlike fraction. 3 divided by 5 minus 2 divided by 7. First find out the LCM of 5 and 7. 5 and 7 is 35. Now divide 35 with denominator 5, that is 7. Multiply 3 with 7 minus. Now divide 35, LCM 35 with 7, denominator 7, that is 5. Multiply 2, numerator 2 with 5. We get 3 multiplied with 7 is 21 minus 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Now 21 minus 10 is 11 divided by 35. This is the answer. So 3 divided by 5 minus 2 divided by 7 is 11 divided by 35. Now subtracting the mixed fraction. How to subtract mixed fraction? 3, 2 divided by 5 minus 2, 4 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3. Three 2 divided by 7 minus 2 2 divided by 8. Now subtract these two mixed fraction. 3 minus 2 plus 2 divided by 7 minus 2 divided by 8. Subtracting the whole part separately and subtracting the fractional part separately. 3 minus 2 whole number. 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 2 divided by 7 minus 2 divided by 8. LCM of 7 and 8 is 56. Now multiply. Divide 56 LCM 56 with denominator 7, that is 8. Multiply 8 with the numerator 2, that is 16. Minus divide LCM 56 with 8, that is 7. Now multiply 2 numerator 2 with 7, that is 14. Now we get 16 minus 14 is 2. 2 divided by 56. Now reduce this fraction into simplest form. Just divide the numerator and denominator with the highest common factor. Divide highest common factor of 2 and 56 is 2. So divide 2 with 2 is 1 and 56 with 2 is 28. Now 1 divided by 28. This is the answer. So 3 2 divided by 7 minus 2 2 divided by 8 is 1 divided by 28. This is a mixed fraction. Subtraction of like fraction over, done. Then subtraction of unlike fraction, done. Then subtraction of mixed fraction, done. Then multiplication of fraction. How to multiply the fraction? Take an example, 2 divided by 7 multiplied with 3 divided by 4. Multiplying two fraction is product of the numerator divided by product of denominator. Here product of numerator is 2 and 3. 2 multiplied with 3, that is 6. And product of denominator is 7 multiplied with 4, that is 28. 6 divided by 28. This is the answer. We can reduce this fraction into simplest form also. Highest common factor is 6 and 28 is 2. Is 6 divided by 2 and 28, denominator 28 divided by 2. 3 divided by 14. This is in simplest form. This is the simplest form of the fraction 6 divided by 28. So multiplication of 2 divided by 7 and 3 divided by 4 is 3 divided by 14. Now multiplication of mixed fraction. 2, 3 divided by 4 multiplied with 3, 2 divided by 3. How to multiply this mixed fraction? First find out the improper fraction. Converting this mixed fraction into improper fraction, then multiply. 2, 3 divided by 4 is multiplying denominator 4 with whole 2. 4 multiplied with 2 is 8. 8 plus numerator 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 divided by 4. Multiply the denominator 3 with whole 3 multiplied with 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11 divided by 3. Now 11 product of multiplication of two fraction is product of numerator divided by product of denominator. 11 multiplied with 11 is 121 divided by 4 multiplied with 3 is 12. Now converting this improper fraction into mixed fraction, just divide the dividend to 121 with the divisor 12, that is we get 10 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. Quotient remainder divided by divisor, that is the denominator. 10 1 divided by 20 is a mixed fraction. So 2 3 divided by 4 multiplied with 3 2 divided by 3 is 10 1 divided by 12. This is the answer. Converting multiplication of like fraction over, then multiplication of mixed fraction also done. Then division of fractions. How to divide two fractions? 2 divided by 3 division with 3 divided by 4. How to divide two fractions? We have to multiply with the reciprocal of the 3 divided by 4. Reciprocal of the fraction 3 divided by 4 is just reverse the numerator with the denominator and denominator with the numerator. That is 3 divided by 4. We have to change the denominator with numerator. 3 divided by 4 is 4 divided by 3. Now multiplying two fraction is multiplication of two fraction is product of the numerator divided by product of denominator. 3 multiplied with 3. 2 multiplied with 4 is 8 divided by 3 multiplied with 3 is 9. 8 divided by 9. So 2 divided by 3, division of 3 divided by 4 is 8 divided by 9. This is the answer. Now division of mixed fraction. 2, 3 divided by 4. Division of 3, 2 divided by 3. How to divide this mixed fraction? First we have to find out the convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2, 3 divided by 4. Mixed fraction of improper fraction of this mixed fraction 2, 3 divided by 4 is multiplying the denominator 4 with whole 2. 4 multiplied with 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 divided by 4. Division of 3 multiplied with 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 divided by 3. Now multiply with reciprocal of this fraction 11 divided by 3. That is reciprocal of 11 divided by 3 is 3 divided by 11. Now cancel this 11 and 11. 3 divided by 4. This is the answer. So 2, 3 divided by 4. Division of 3, 2 divided by 3 is 3 divided by 4. This is the answer. Division of fraction done. Now all topics are covered. Types of fraction done. Conversion of fraction done. Then simplest form of a fraction done. Comparison of fraction done. Addition of fraction done. Subtraction fraction. Multiplication fractions and division of fraction done. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.